Hey, I boldly tell you that I'm the top one 3D printing service provider in 3D Hubs Malaysia. Well, yes, I'm top one 3D printing service provider in 3D Hubs Malaysia. So, what is 3D Hubs? 3D Hubs is a platform for you to order your 3D print. If you don't understand what kind of platform is that, you can just imagine a Mudah. Mudah.com you should know, I think everyone should know. It's a website. You can post your second-hand item or your new item on it, and people can look on it and search for your item and buy from it. Yes, so that's a platform to let you to sell things. 3D Hubs is a platform to let you to provide service thing, and this service is very specialist for 3D printing and some additive manufacturing, and also got CNC, but I don't see that much. So how do I know I'm the first one? Very simple way. Go to Google search. And if you go to Google search 3D printing service in Malaysia, you will see some advertisement, then the first result. Yeah, I'm saying you will see a lot of advertisement, of course. There are a bunch of them shop. There are a few shop out there to put all the advertisement. And then the first result, the first original Google search up result is top 10 3D printing service in 3D Hubs. And you click in, you will see a link that you upload the models, after that select material and explore 3D printing service with a filter. The recommended first one is me. Yeah, Rosemary Hubs. Yeah, that's me. You see the picture is sent with my Facebook. I'm still cannot believe that, even I know that it's true. I'm not believe that not because I'm happy or excited. Yeah, I'm top one, so what? I'm so sad now. Upset. I'm top one. You will see the review is 90 number. And my truth received order is almost 180. Not almost, it's over 180. Yeah, I processed over 180 prints, orders. That means different people orders from me. Is that much? Is that the number should be the top one? I don't think so. I'm so sad because that is the number. Make me top one is so less. You compare to Singapore one, there are thousands of them. Singapore is like this. Malaysia is like this. Come on, bro. Come on, guys. I want to thank you first. Okay, before I want to thank you all the friends, all the customer order from me. Thank you for giving me chance to process your order. They are very interesting. You got student final year project, you got R&D project, you got your some private toys thing collection or pro. That is interesting, but too less. I'm I really feel upset. I'm not supposed to be the top one because that is only 180. Look at the Singapore one. They got more than 1,000 orders of them. That is top one. Okay. And you look at if other West country, there will be more, like 10,000 of them. Yeah, I operate my 3D printing workshop for 1 year in 3D on 3D Hubs, not in, and 180 for 1 year. I'm still sad. You see, my printer are stopped now. They are not working. That's why I got time to make videos. Is that true? Yeah, because I'm so free now. I don't have any orders today. Yeah. The truth is, I'm busy always for all the learning stuff. Not everything for 3D printing. Yeah, I learned some Fusion 360 program, how to model thing. Because I'm working on this, I should know how to model the thing, and I try to make something I like. I'm also learning some programming thing, maybe sometimes you can change some open source thing, information, software. But I don't understand why Malaysia got so less maker. I was joined a maker fair and go inside the few company trying to sell their 3D printer at a very unaffordable price at 5,000 ringgit in Malaysia. That is horrible, okay? That's not supposed to be the 3D printer price. I really wish more people involved with it. I like to see more people learning how to 3D models. I like to see more creative thing come out from Malaysia. So we got more people and we got a good resource, and everyone seem like very free after works. I'm sorry that if you're not interested, I'm saying that to you. But okay, never mind. I come back to the truth. I'm the top one. Yay! I will keep going to do all these things, but I might delay some time because I'm a freelancer. I'm just work at my 3D. I got a day job, and my 3D printing workshop is start from 7 p.m. to 12 a.m. If you want to find me, talk with me, please look at the time, or you just order from my website www.1m3dp.com. That is a big red button. You can upload your models. It will direct you to 3Dhubs, and you can see the price instantly. You can check the model printability instantly. It will come out some error if you cannot print it out. And if it's a printer if the print without any problem, you can just direct orders, because the system is so smart now. Everything will be ordered automatically. Anything after that, like how to orient the item, how to put the infill, how strong the part you need, you just tell me in the comment. I will check it out and I will modify it for you. I can make a very big print with some drawing parts. I can make a very small print with the LP 3D printer, kind of small thing. You see, look how small it is. This is a Mavic from 3Dhubs models. It's a sample models, and I will make more of this. So everyone order from me, I give a small free gift. Today is not April Fool, so this is not a joke. I can give them, but of course they got a limitation. If you order like something too small, I cannot process. I will sorry to decline your orders. I think I don't have much to say. Yeah, my freelance is not helping me earning my money. Actually, I'm just getting all the money, buying more toys and more interesting technology, learning them how to use and showing them to other people. I like to share information. Give me more orders so I can grab that money to get more new things, to make myself more professional and share back to you. Like